Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my project ShadowNet AI, an AI-powered cybersecurity platform built to protect everyday users from digital threats in real time. The platform offers more than 14 security tools, all in one place, including a scam detector, URL analyzer, QR code scanner, dark web checker, email analyzer, password checker, IP checker, file hash scanner, voice analyzer, encryption tools, threat map, social profile checker, cyber quiz, and an AI chatbot. It has two separate panels, a user panel for regular users and a fully featured admin panel for platform management and monitoring. Problem statement. Now let me talk about the problem this project solves. In today's digital world, cyber threats are going at an alarming rate. Every single day, millions of people receive fake messages, phishing links, malicious QR codes, and scam emails, and most of them have no way to verify whether something is safe or dangerous. People click on fake links and lose their money. They scan QR codes that redirect them to malware. Their email addresses get leaked on the dark web, and they never even find out. Passwords get stolen in data breaches, and users remain completely unaware. The existing cybersecurity tools available in the market are either too expensive, too technical, or designed only for enterprise use. There is no simple free AI powered solution that an ordinary person can use without any technical knowledge. This is a core problem, the gap between cybersecurity tools and the users everyday and the everyday users. Now, we will discuss the solution of this problem. ShadowNet AI is the solution of this platform. It brings enterprise grade cybersecurity into the hands of every user, completely free, easy to use, and powered by artificial intelligence. Let me walk you through how it works. The scam detector uses a custom-built NLP engine with pattern recognition to analyze any suspicious messages, SMS, WhatsApp, or email, and gives it a risk score out of 100. It detects urgency tactics, credentials requests, brand impersonation, fake rewards, and more. URL Analyzer is integrated with the VirusTotal API, which checks a link against over 70 security engines. It also performs local analysis check for suspicious TLDs, brand spoofing, missing SSL, IP-based domains, and excessive subdomains. QR code scanner decodes any QR images using real images processing, extract the hidden URL, and then runs it through the same URL analysis engine to detect malicious redirects. The dark web checker uses the have been found API and leak check to scan over 15 billion compromised records and tell user if their email has appeared in any known data breach. The live threat map shows real-time cyber attacks happening across the globe powered by WebSocket connection using Socket.io, updating every few seconds. On the backend, the platform has red limiting, IP blocking, JWT authentication, attack detection, middleware, and automated weekly email reports, making it secure and production ready. Now let me show you the platform live and explain exactly how beneficial for users from it. Let me now walk you through the platform live. ShadowNet AI is a full-stack web application built using React on the front end, Node.js and Express on the backend, and MongoDB as the database. The backend is deployed on Railway and the front end is hosted on Vercel. Here is the testimonial section. Here is the footer section. There is a built-in AI chatbot on the landing page that answers cybersecurity questions and guides users on how to stay online. First, a user registers with their name, email, and passwords. After logging in, they are taken to their personal dashboards. The platform uses JWT authentication, so every session is secure and protected. Now let's create username, enter the email, and create strong password. This is the user dashboard. At the top, you can see three keys. States how many threats were detected today, how many phishing URLs were found, and how many dark web bridges are linked into this account. Below that is the weekly threat activity. Here is the weekly threat activity chart showing scans and threats over the last 7 days. Next to it, the threat types. Next is the threat types. It's a pie chart breaking down what kind of threats that the user has encountered: scam, URL, QR, or dark web. Security alert sections. Here is the recent scan sections. The next is security alert sections. Show real-time alerts. If any suspicious login or attack is detected, the user get notified here with severity levels low, medium, high, or critical. And the login history section shows every login attempt, the IP addresses, the device, the time, and whether it was successful or failed. So if someone tries to access your account from an unknown location, you will know immediately. Next tab is scam detector. The first tool is a scam detector. You paste any suspicious message here, SMS, WhatsApp, or email, and the AI analyzes it instantly. It's a message. It's a dangerous message. AI explanation recommendations. Take action now if any suspicious or dangerous is detected. Then you can also click these links and report them. Report to Microsoft Safety. And again test with the secure message. It's safe. Risk 20%. Detected indicators brand authority impersonations. That's but it's safe. No recommendation provided because it's safe. URL analyzer. Scam detector. It uses a custom NLP engine that detects urgency, language, credential request, brand impersonation, fake rewards, shortened URL, and more. It gives a risk score out of 100 and tells you exactly what indicators were found and what actions to take. Next step is URL analyzer. URL analyzer checks any link against virus totals 70 plus security engines. It also performs local analysis, checking for suspicious domain extensions, brand spoofing, missing SSL certificates, IP-based domains, and excessive subdomains. The result shows a final risk verdict with a detailed breakdown. Now let me check this. Test the URL. Waiting for the scanning. It's safe. Verified. Verified. Any URL can test this. Now also detect dangerous URL. It's 20% risk score. Domain similarity. Brand name spoofing detected. Missing invalid. SSL certificate is missing. Suspicious redirects. Multiple hyphens in domain. Established domain. It's clean. 21% risk score. But it's safe. URL passed virus total scan with no threats detected. If any other harmful URL links, then you can also detect. QR code. QR code scanner uses real images processing to decode any QR code. It extracts the hidden URL from the image and then runs it through the same URL analysis engine to detect malicious redirects. Most people never check what a QR code actually contains. This tool does it for them. Now we will check QR code. It's my personal hotspot QR code. Then it's safe. No SSL HTTPs because it's my personal hotspot QR code. Then again reset and analyze QR code. It's a generated QR code. Scan. Wait for analyzing. It's a suspicious QR code. Extracted URL. This URL makes the QR code and then scan and detect it suspicious. Its action report Google Safe Browsing report to Cybercrime Portal Pakistan. Now the next tab is Dark Web Leak Checker. The Dark Web Checker scans over 15 billion compromised records using the heavy have been found API and leak check. You enter your email address and it tells you exactly which services were breached, when it happened, and what type of data was exposed, passwords, phone numbers, or personal details, etc. Now, first we scan our Gmail. Wait for the analyzing. No exposure found. It's a safe Gmail. No password were breach were exposed in any breach. Now then analyze those email which also leaked data breaches. Email exposed in data breaches. 208 breaches were password seen 276 times in data breaches. View more, show less. Immediate protection steps. If your Gmail is exposed in any data breach, check your password is leaked. Enable two-factor authentication. Google Guide. Provided links are working, then you can click also open the links. Now the next tab is threat map. Now the next tab is threat map. The live threat map visualize the live threat map visualize real-time cyber attacks happening across the globe. It uses WebSocket connections via socket via socket.io, updating every few seconds. You can see attacks origin, destinations, threat types, and risk levels. Every scans performed on the platform contributes to this map. Here's the cards. Recent scans are here. Threat background, scam, dark web, QR code, URL analyzer. If we point out, then show the country, attacks, and types. The next tab is email analyzer. Again, completely paste the email and analyze. If any of the email copied and pasted here, analyze. Look saves. Email appears legitimate. No significant phishing indicators found. Password checker. The password checker evaluates how strong your password is. It checks length, complexity, common patterns, and dictionary words, and gives you a strength score along with specific improvement suggestions. We can generate this password and predict weak, strong, medium, and then generate strong. We can also generate encrypted passwords and then copy it successfully and use anywhere. Now, the next step is IP reputation checker. IP checker lets you look up any IP addresses. It shows the country, city, ISP, and threat level associated with that IP, useful for identifying suspicious sources. Now, check the IP addresses which is involved in any VPN proxy or malicious activity and not involved in VPN proxy or malicious activity. You can analyze easily. Now, analyze this. First, we paste the IP addresses. We can use this IP address because it's a dangerous IP address which involves malicious activity. Now, analyze this. High risk. Yes. VPN proxy, yes. Mobile networks, no. Total reports, this. Abuse score 100%. This IP address is involved in malicious activity. Now, let me check my my mobile phone IP address, which is safe or not. Clean because it's my personal mobile IP address, so it is clean. No VPN proxy malicious activity. No involved. This IP address no involves in malicious activity. So any IP addresses can scan here. Now the next step is file scanner. The file hash scanner checks any file's hash against VirusTotal's database. If the file has been flagged as malware by any security engine, you will know before you open it. This tab uses any suspicious file can detect if virus is present in the file or not. Now upload the file. Wait for the file scanning. So now you can click to upload a file. It's a virus related file. Scan hash. Detected malicious. 63 out of 66 antivirus engines detected this file as malicious. It's a file I have created with malicious code. You can also the zip folders analysis. There is no zip folder. You can also analyze the zip folder. Any file which is secure or not, virus is present or not, can easily analyze this. Now the next, fake profile. Social profile checker. The fake profile detector analyzes social media account data, username, followers, following count, post count, account age, and profile picture, and uses behavior pattern analysis to determine if any account is likely fake, suspicious, or genuinely. It also gives protection recommendations. It's a behavior patterns manually entered data only. It is connected to any social media platforms, but not confirm account is real or fake. It is a behavior. It checks only behavioral patterns. It only detects only behavioral pattern. Then analyze. Low risk, 0%, because it's a behavioral pattern analysis. Now the next step is encrypt or decryption. Encryption. It's an encryption tool. The encryption tool lets you encrypted and decrypted both text and files completely locally in your browser. It supports AES 256 military grade encryption, base 64 encoding, and root 13 for files. It downloads an encrypted shadownet file. Your data never leaves your device. Now, three algorithms in this project uses AES 256, base 64, root 13. Now, if we use base 256 and paste write any text like I love my country, I love my country, and create a password which is encrypt the text like 7123. It's a password protected text, now encrypted. It's a text of encrypted, copied. Now the next is algorithm decryption tools we can use to convert the encrypted text into readable format. Paste the encrypted text here, and if we cannot use the password, then you cannot decrypt the text, because AES 256 algorithm is a password protected. So you can use same passwords which is encrypted the text. So same password for decrypted. Now then decrypted. I love my country. Okay. Now encrypted any file. Also you can analysis upload any file, any of the document, can paste and encrypt or password 123 someone 123, then encrypt and download this. Now decryption, you can also upload the encrypted file and password here. Now decrypt. Now then the decrypted file with readable format is here. So you can open this or not. You will check this. It's a decrypted readable format. Now the next algorithm is base 64. Base 64 can encrypt any text and decrypt any text without password encrypted form. No password needed. Root 13, its algorithm, it only used for text, not a file. Root 13 algorithm not uses file encrypt or decrypt. It also uses only text conversion. Base 64 can use both encryption and decryption tools. AES 256, both encryption and decryption, text and files converted, but password required. It's a secure way algorithm. Now the next step is voice analyzer. Voice analyzer detects AI generated fake voice. You uploaded any audio file, wave, MP3, OGG, and the system analyzes frequency patterns, pitch, energy levels, and audio matches to determine if the voice is real or systematically generated. It also shows the uploader's IP addresses and locations. It Now analyze the foil. It's a natural human voice. It's a human natural voice and predicted real human voice. Zero fake score, 0% fake score. IP address also tracking. Now click to change the AI generated voice uploaded and then analyze this. Suspicious 30% fake score because it's AI generated voice. It's a AI generated voice. So it suspicious audio unnatural pattern found and detected. You can use this tab to analyze any voice is AI or not. Now the next and last tab is cyber quiz. Cyber quiz is a 10 question security assessment with a 30-second timer per question. It tests real world cyber security knowledge, phishing passwords, social engineering, and more. At the end, you earn a badge, novice, learning, security aware, or cyber experts, and your score appears on the global leaderboard. Now, start assessment. First question is attempt. Next is well, it's a 60% score you can achieve. Here's the questions. Try again. Leaderboard. It's a take the quiz. Again started. So here is a feature of users which can easily use to detect any suspicious or malicious records easily. Now the profile section is here, which users can easily see your profiles, notifications, mark as all read, delete all, anything users can easily do. Now the settings tab, security section, password change. Users can easily type the current password and change the new password, confirm password and change password. Notifications tab, weekly reports. If the user can on this message, safe preferences. Now users should receive weekly cybersecurity tips daily. Now the logout tab is here. Now again sign in. Now again sign in. And then can user dashboard. Recent scans, security alerts, no because no attack is prevented. No attack is implemented here. Recent login activity. This IP address because it's my IP address. Then successfully I am login. Dashboard is here. Notifications shows weekly tips. All the view all activity markers all read. Now log out this. Now let me show you the admin panel. The admin has full control over the entire platform. Now sign into login admin @shadonet.ai. Enter the password of admin. Admin. Now here's the admin dashboard. Shows total users, total scans, flagged URLs, and the threats detected today is all in the real time. There is a user growth bar chart for the last 6 months and a threat breakdown pie chart. The live activity feed shows every new user's registers, threat scan, and dark web pages as it happens. With a filter for users, threads and bridges. It also auto refreshes every 30 seconds. Now The next step is users. In a user management, the admin can see every register users, their name, role, scans, threads, risk score, status, joined, action, all are presented here. The admin can view a user's full scan history, all scans, URL scans, QR scans, and dark web checks. They can edit easily, edit usernames, email, role, or status. They can suspend or activate. They can also suspend. It will suspend and activate, suspend the user, and also active the users. You, they can suspend or activate a user with one click. They can block users' IP address directly from this panel, and they can delete it a user's permanently. Also deleted and also blocked. If this IP address blocked, then IP block list shows which IP address you blocked. Now again scan history, user scan history. Now deleted options available. If delete, then confirm delete user. I will not delete this user. You can see. Now the next. So users are also filtered by risk score, high risk, medium, or low risk, so that admin can quickly identify suspicious accounts. Now the next step is threat reports. The threat reports panel. The threat reports panel shows every single scan performed on the platform, scans, URL scans, QR scans, and dark web checks. The admin can filter by threat type and risk level by search by input data and view the full details of any report, including the risk score, indicators found, and summary. Here is the filter. You can see this: dangerous, suspicious, safe. So also can search dark web, maybe dark web show, URL scan, URL. Here's the URL. Now the next step is flagged URLs. Flagged URL section shows all URLs that were marked as dangerous or suspicious. The admin can review and update their status. To this URLs. Now the analytics tab show the dashboard panel live. Now the next is threat map. Threat map. Here is a threat map where admin can see all the threats map users. All users, like if any users, then show the threat map of selected users. Last 3 days, 24 hours. All users can see this. 24 hours, all types. To be shown. All these users can show this. Now the next is alert tools. Alert tools allow the admin to set automatic triggers. For example, if a user performs more than a certain number of high-risk scans, the system can automatically suspend their account and send an email alert to the admin. If this Here is a new alert tool. We can generate this, but I cannot generate the rule because I have already two rules generated. Now run all rules. Trigger 0 rules. Active rules. 0 rule triggers. Now then again trigger the rule. Active. Then run the one rule is triggered, and here you can see threshold is 4. Send email alert. So which user should increase the threshold 4, then send an email. Now the next is scan history, user scan history. User scan history is show all the users history
select any user and then see the user history. Now the broadcast. If a broadcast The broadcast feature lets the admin send a notification to all users at once for announcement, warnings, or platform updates. Then system logs. The system log section records every important action on the platform, IP logs, broadcast, user changes with timestamps and details. Export tools now send AI report, download PDF. The export feature generates a full PDF report with a platform status, flag threads, and details URLs which can be downloaded or emailed. Every Monday at 8 a.m., the system automatically sends this report to the admin's email. Now downloads this. Open this. Here is the report. New users registers to scam messages scan 2731. Here is the list. Here is the complete list which is sent by admin. Now the next step is IP block list. Unblock this IP. IP block list is one of the most powerful admin features. The admin can manually block an IP address. When blocked, that IP is immediately denied access to the entire platform. They cannot log in, register, or any tool or use any tool. The block is enforced in real time using an in-memory cache that refreshes every 60 seconds. Now the next is attack simulator. Attack simulator. Now I will demonstrate the attack simulator. Here is the attack, like if any attack is prevent, then auto block the IP addresses. So in the last, I can show you the demo of live attack and prevented this. So move move to the next step, voice analysis. Here is the voice. Here is the section where AI generated voice, fake voice, suspicious or real. All types of voice are here and can delete, mark as suspicious, flag deleted. Then IP addresses locations is also present in this map, Google Maps. Now the next is profile tab, admin profile tab, recent users, which is active now. Is here account details show in this tab, in this section. Now the next is setting tabs and also upload the profile changes emails. Now the next is settings. Admin can easily change their password, notification tabs, otherwise platform changes. Now attack simulator. Now we can show you the attack is implemented here. The attack simulator. Here's the attack simulator. At the top, this tool proves that the platform can detect and block real cyber attacks in real time. At the top, you can see live states, total attacks detected, how many were blocked, and a breakdown by attack type. So I can show you the attacks which can easily block and show the live attack feed. So firstly, a user can log in another PC and attack. So this feed can automatically show the blocked IPs, and also the IP block list can show the auto block IPs. If any attacks were implemented, then this platform can easily block and suspend all the harmful suspicious attacks. Now I will show you.
Live attacks. Now it will show you. Firstly, we prevent brute force attack. In a brute force attack, hackers frequently use the same IP address and attempt multiple incorrect passwords to gain unauthorized access to their user account. So, user is logged in one PC and an admin is logged in on another PC. If a user or attacker attempts to log in with incorrect passwords more than 6 times, ShadowNet AI detects this activity immediately. Now enter the email address and long password like this. Uh, the specific IP address and user account are automatically blocked after the sixth attempt of wrong input password. Also shows the admin dashboard like attack simulator feed, live attacks feed also shows the brute force attacks. And after the six attempts of wrong passwords, the IP address should block now. If an attempt is made to log in again from the same IP address, access is completely denied. So if the user can block this IP address, so IP block list can show the IP address which can block by attacker, which can block by admin, so attacker cannot access again with the same IP address. So Again, log in with the same IP address and correct passwords from user. So enter the correct password of user. It cannot access because access is denied. This IP address was blocked. If the admin can unblock this IP address, so it can easily again log in with the correct passwords. So if IP address was unblocked, so user can easily access the same IP address. Now again sign in. So it's a brute force attack we can implement and prevent immediately. So log out this account. Now the next attack is SQL injection, which can show you. In this attack, an attacker inserts a malicious SQL query into login or input fields to gain unauthorized access to the database. So this is a famous OR query, one equals to one, which can enter which can enter any input field by attacker. The attacker inputs a malicious query into an input field and attempts to log in to gain database access. ShadowNet AI immediately redirects the SQL injection attempt. Now, the system or admin panel automatically blocks the offending IP address. So again, sign the access is denied. This IP address was blocked by the admin. Any subsequent login attempts result in blocked access. So if admin was unblocked this IP address, so real user can easily again log in. So the next and last attack of cross-site scripting, XSS injection prevention. In this type of attack, an attacker enters a JavaScript query into a form or input field to steal cookies and sensitive information or user data. So so when an attacker enters a JavaScript query like this, input field, password fields, any email fields like this script like this, enter this script. Now enter this malicious query. When an attacker enters a JavaScript query into an input field, ShadowNet AI detects the malicious script instantly. So malicious payload detected and blocked accesses. Also shows the admin attack live attack feed attack simulator and also shows the IP block list which IP address was blocked. Show here and also shows the user field. The AI system immediately blocks the request and prevents the attack. So and block this IP address and now go to the landing page again. Here is the ShadowNet AI complete project. Now for the admin, the platform provides completely visibility into all users' activity, automated threat detection, IP blocking, alert tools, broadcast messaging, PDF reports, weekly email summarize, making it fully a production-ready security management system. ShadowNet AI is a complete full-stack AI-powered cybersecurity platform built to protect everyday users from real digital threats. It is built on React, Node.js, MongoDB, Socket.io, VirusTotal API, have been Pond API, and deployed on Railway and Vercel. The goal was simple: make powerful cybersecurity accessible to everyone, and ShadowNet AI does exactly that. Thank you.